Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing with my friend. He was just trolling us PvP earlier. So we're just going to be playing around, doing random stuff. How did you do that? With the pole. No.
I'm gonna take you to tutorial, okay?
No. I don't want tutorial.
Better not try, buddy.
Can't shoot. Stop. No.
I'll let you get it, but we take turns, okay?
Okay.
Yep. Yay! Take me to tutorial! Actually, I'll go up halfway.
Bro.
Don't drop me.
I won't.
I look at myself.
Bro, I keep thinking I could grab onto stuff.
Just throw me.
Oh.
No!
Oh.
Let's try that again. Let's try that again. My arm is stuck. Do what you did last time.
No.
Oh, shoot. I'll meet you up there, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Turkey.
Oh.
How about you try to throw me up there by this branch right here?
Bro, jump into my hands.
Okay.
Bro.
You just fall, didn't you?
Bro, I can't see anything.
How about let me be big. Let me be big.
Okay.
Don't you wish that Gorilla Tag, when you're like falling from a high distance, they added a fall sound?
For what? Bro, let me play volleyball with you. Over here.
Take you the tutorial. Wait.
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna fling you up, okay?
You miss.
Wait, I have an idea. Here, come with me. Let's slide down together. Looks like I'm too fat.
It's okay. I'm fat.
Run. Oh, you're gonna go up there? Okay. Oh,
Bro. I fell. Hey, bro.
okay, Mom. What?
It's hard.
I know, right?
Bro, I'm right here. I'll jump into your hands.
I'm gonna try.
I dragged you down.
Ready?
Yeah.
You get in this hand and push you.
I'm in.
You know, I'll try to get.
Okay, guys, welcome to another video. Oh,
What?
I fell through. I fell through, guys. This is the code if you want to play with me. I go to it every day. Hey, bro, I fell through the map.
Can tell.
Bro, your apples are so big compared to mine. You're such a big target. Ow. Nom nom. Feed me. Feed me, mother. Ow.
Are you trying to collect that? Are you trying to? No, I have an idea.
Bro, stop slapping me.
I'm stuck. Wait, let's do role play.
Oh, hell no.
I'm the father, you're the son, okay?
Oh, hell no. No. Father, stop. Yeah, father, stop, please.
Son. Where'd you go?
He kept...
Where'd you go? Just 1 sec. Wait, dude. Doggy. I got you a pet.
Let me eat. Bro, let go of it. Bro, what? Oh. Bro, rabbit. Bro, Doug the Bug's so big.
Look at his gear.
Let go of Doug the Bug. Bro, why is he so big? You shouldn't be able to ride him.
Well, mate with him.
No. Stop, father. Father, stop.
He's stuck in my hands now.
No. Oh, no, he's not. He's right there. The bug.
Bro, you look like you're... Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Bro, you can go in bush. You can go in any bushes.
I put my hand in there not knowing where you will be.
Bro, put me in that bush. Ouch.
I'll try to guess where you are. Hi.
Father, help me.
Okay.
Help me.
Someone what? What about it?
No.
Son, my Oculus is at 1%.
Peekaboo. Help me. I.
Fatality.
Father, help me. Bro, I thought your was at 1%. Bro. Come and get me. Bro, let me touch the eye.
Yeah, once my Oculus is
Stop.
Wait, I need to get Dougie.
Stop. Oh, his VR died. I think. Oh, yep. I get a notification when somebody leaves. Okay, this will be the end of today's video. Oh, yep. He left. So this will be the end of today's video. I was just playing with my friend. Oh my gosh! He's small now. Can I get home? Help. Yeah, you're stuck in there. Bye. Guys, welcome. Bye, guys. Hope you had a fun time watching this video where me and my friend did random things in Guardian. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure they only made people who were in the last minute of the game only walk on there. Can only walk on there. But hope you guys have a fabulous day.